Good morning. Welcome to your EVS class. So today we will revise your PT2 chapters, and you all get the routine of PT2, right? And as today EVS class, so today we will revise on those two chapters, and you already know the syllabus, right? About the My Neighborhood and Let's Celebrate. Okay. So everyone take your copybook with you, because I have to ask some questions to you, and if you have any kind of problem from those two chapters, you can ask me today, because the next online class we will discuss about science. Okay, so as today EVS, so we have to discuss on that, the My Neighborhood and Let's Celebrate. So first of all, take your copybook. My Neighborhood and Let's Celebrate. সঙ্গীতা ম্যাম আমারটাও নিচ্ছে, আমি ওটাও নিচ্ছি, মানে আমারটাই নিচ্ছি রুমটাই। আপনি কি নিচ্ছিলেন সঙ্গীতা ম্যামেরটা? তাহলে 110-এ ম্যাম আসেনি, সেটা তো আমি জানি না। এটা ফাঁকা থাকলে নিয়ে নিন না। Science, the syllabus of science, which I already told it previous day. It's about 9th and 10th chapter. 9th and 10th chapter. Board clear হচ্ছে না? Board is almost clear, Vithika. Maybe there are some network problem. Okay. So now tell me, I am giving a question. Okay, so you can write the answer here, and you can want to copy those things in your copy book, then you want to do that. Pupil living in people living around us called dash. People living around us called dash. I want answer from everyone. People living around us are called neighbors. Debayon, Zarin, Kaustubh, Rishabh, Mahian give the answer. Yes, so it is neighbors. It is neighbors. Neighours. So these things you have to remember, and that is pupil. When it is about pupil, then you have to write neighbors. Okay, and if you get any questions about the area where the people around our house, area around our house. Called neighbor. These things you have to tell me. Yes, very good. If that is about area around our house, this is about neighborhood. Neighborhood. Area around our house, this is called the neighborhood. Very good, everyone. Very good. Now, the next question is, when there is a theft, we go to dash. When there is a theft, we go to, very good Zareen, Debayon. Very good everyone. That is about police station. Very good. That is about police station. So when there is a theft, we go to police station. Okay? Yes, very good everyone. Now the next question is, I have to erase it. Did you all copy those question and answer in your copybook? Okay. Now go to the question number 4, and that is, we keep our money safe. We keep our money safe in the dash. We keep our money safe in the dash. Very good Rishabh, Mahian, Ayush, Rishan and others. Everyone give me answer. Everyone. Very good. Very good Iman, Minajuddin. That is about bank. Where is the answer of Zareen? Ziyad and Bithika gave the answer. Very good. So it's bank. We keep our money safe in the bank. Yes. Where is Zareen? People in the neighborhood dash each other. Question number 5. People in the neighborhood dash each other. Dash each other. People in the neighborhood dash each other. Yes, you all gave the answer. Very good. And others, one of you didn't give the answer till now. And that is Rishan, Rishav, Minhajuddin. Very good. So it is help. It is help. So people in the neighborhood help each other. Right? Yes. So, have you any questions from my neighborhood chapter? Have you anything which you didn't understand till now, or anything? Please let me know if you have any problem from this chapter, my neighborhood, only the my neighborhood. Okay. So you didn't have any question. Okay. Now we are proceed to the next chapter. Let's celebrate. And I already told it, pupil at work and my school, those two chapters will not be held in your exam. Okay. So you gave a cross mark above those two chapters, pupil at work and my school. Hope you all did it. Now it's about let's celebrate. So have you read this chapter attentively about the let's celebrate? Yes, very good. Now tell me, very good Bithika. Now tell me, how 6, it's a question number 6, right? We completed up to 5. Next, question number 6. On Diwali, Lord Dash returned to Dash after 14 years of exile. So give me answer. There are two blanks. So you have to give answer of 2 blanks. Yes, Debayon, very good. And everyone give the answer in these 2 blanks. Very good, Sarin. Very good, Kaustav and others. So on Diwali, Lord Rama. On Diwali, Lord Rama. That means Ram. That's it. So Lord Rama returned to Ajodhya after 14 years of exile. After 14 years of exile. Who unlike the answer of Debayon? Who did it? Minajuddin. Don't do that. Next, question number 7. Dash is the festival of light. Dash is the festival of light. So tell me what is the festival of light? Very good everyone. Dash is the festival of light. And you gave the answer, it's Diwali. Very good. Diwali is the festival of light. So have you copied this question answer at your copy book? I have to erase it now. Question number 8. We have lots of fun on dash day. On dash day. We have lots of fun on dash day. Give me answer. Everyone give me answer. That's too easy. Which I gave, those all are easy for you because you all read the chapters attentively. So that's why you have those answers are easy. Very good. So that is festive. That is festive. So we have lots of fun on festive days. Very good. On Eid, men pray together in dash. On Eid, men pray together in dash. Very good, Imon. Debayon, you write here church, and I have to told you that is wrong answer. Everyone give me answer fast. Very good, very good. So that is mosquito. That is mosquito. Very good. Next is the dash is celebrated on 2nd October. 2nd October. Dash is celebrated on 2nd October. Anyone? Give me answer. Very good, Kaustubh, Rishabh, Debayon. Gandha. What is Gandha, Rishan? Write it in correct word. Rishan, check your answer. Others, very good, very good. It is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. Can anyone tell me that on what is we celebrate on 23rd January? Which things or what is celebrated on 23rd January? It's only Netaji, Debayon. As the birthday of the, yes, very good, Bithika. Netaji's birthday. Netaji's birthday. So, I am writing here. Netaji's birthday celebrated on Netaji's birthday celebrated on 23rd January. And it's tomorrow, right? It's tomorrow. Tomorrow is 23rd January, right? And we all celebrate this birthday of Netaji tomorrow. Yes. Okay. Okay, everyone. So, have you any problem from this chapter? Let's celebrate. Have you any problem? You can ask me now because your exam already came and you have to prepare for it. So if you have any kind of problem, please let me know. You haven't any problem. Okay. Okay, everyone. So who are present in the class, please write here P. Have to take attendance. Very good, Zareen. And that's all for today, everyone. Read your chapter very, very attentively for exam, and best wishes all of you for your PT2 exam. Okay?